Hello everyone, we are right now in the city of Nairobi, Kenya, and as you can see here, the streets are quite clear. It's in the evening. We are heading towards a dinner in Enkare restaurant around the Westlands. A very beautiful and lovely evening to be around. So all the best and have a good evening.
And Willis, can you share in the end that what are the seasons over here? I mean, in these days, this is winter, and how about other
basically
days?
Here in Nairobi and Kenya, we also have 3 seasons, and right now we are in the winter season, around 20 degrees. The cold it can get is 18 degrees.
Okay.
And no sun, cloudy every day. But then shortly in the next month, we start entering the tourist high season, which is usually very sunny and warm.
Okay.
Yeah, so quite a lovely time to be in Nairobi.
Thank you.
As you can see, the streets are looking nice and beautiful.
Yeah, thank you very much for the introduction and
welcome.
explanation about the place.